Hello guys, am I audible? Everyone? Am I audible everyone? Can you give me the confirmation in the chat box? Yes? Okay. Okay, good morning everybody. Yeah, good morning Shubdeep. Okay, so my screen is visible, right? Yes guys, everyone? Yes? Okay. Okay, let's just wait for a few more minutes so that everybody can join and then we will start our session. Yeah, good morning Lavanya. मैम जब मैं गूगल कोलैब ही यूज कर रहा हूँ तो एनाकोंडा को अनइंस्टॉल कर दूँ it's up to you, Pranav. If you want to, if you are comfortable with Google Colab, then you can continue with that and uninstall. You can uninstall, okay? Okay, okay, Pranav. My voice is very low. Is it, guys? Okay. In Jupyter Notebook, yesterday's module import is showing error that module does not exist or something like this. Jupyter Notebook, Subhadeep, have you uploaded the module.py file there? Yes, in the same directory. Then why it is showing you the error? Just check the extension. Is it .py? Okay. So can you tell me what is the error it is showing that it is not a module name, module error it is showing you? One more student is facing same thing. Okay. I don't think so that there will be issue because I have showed you with the Jupyter notebook also to everybody that how to do the process. Have you guys checked the module name? Is it correct? Yes, Pranav, you can try that. Maybe the installation was not proper. Yeah. One thing, I have saved the file with the name module2.py and importing it from module2 import star but it is showing error. Let me give you the error message. Yeah, Shubdeep, correct. If you are giving from module to import this, correct, then have you uploaded any other module.py file there in the same directory where you have created the module2.py? No, no module name module2. Just check it that if the spelling is correct or not. That if is it in capital letters or small, anything that mistake, because that's why it is giving you like that. Otherwise, the code will be correct. This is how we are importing in the Jupyter notebook. Spelling is okay, file is there in the same directory, but still error. Okay, we will see that error in the last. Okay, Shubdeep, we will see that why it is coming like that. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, so let's continue with our today's class. Okay, so we have seen some questions yesterday. So let's go ahead with the same set of questions for today also. So I think I have that file. Yeah. Yes, guys. So we have done till I think sixth question, right? Yes, everyone. Everybody's clear till that, right? Yeah, I'm strong. Sixth question we have completed. Yeah, good morning, Arif. So everyone, are you clear till the sixth question? Everybody, tell me. Yes. So we can move on to our seventh question, guys. Yes, tell me, everyone. Please share this PDF again. Okay. Okay, guys. So we were in the seventh question. Okay. So this is my seventh question, guys. I'm going to copy it here. Okay. So this is my seventh question, guys. Now what you all have to do. Okay. Somebody has done it also. Okay, Shivdeep. But so you have to create calculator program, guys. So in calculator, we see we have different operations, right? Addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay. So we are here, we have a calculator program you have to create for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and flow division. Okay, guys. So take the input from the user, and based on the choice of operation he choose, whatever the user has chosen, you have to return the result. Okay, of that operation. Clear, everybody? Clear? What you all have to do? And pasting the question in the chat box also. Yes, okay, guys. I'm giving you all few minutes. Try this question, okay? And then tell me the output. Okay. Sorry. So I'm giving you all 10 minutes. Yes, guys. So this is your deadline. Try this, everybody. And if you feel any issue, you can tell me. Okay. Try this question now, guys. Front-end interface also needed to be created. Give hint, please. Okay. See, what you're talking about, Srinivasa, front-end interface. See, you just have to create a calculator program, not like that, front-end and back-end types. Okay. You would just have to write a simple functions basically for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and flow division, guys. Okay. Then you have to take the input from the users. These things you guys knows, right? Okay. And simple if else statement, like if the users enter that operation, choice of operation, then you have to perform that function. Clear, everybody? Yeah. So try this, everybody. Give me the answers. Okay, Sudhir, good. You haven't input from the user. Just try to do this, Sudhir. Just take input from the user. Okay, Pranav. Just complete the whole code. This is not correct totally. Uh, Take input from the user, Pranav, means you ask the user for the numbers, that whatever the number they have entered, then you have to do the coding part. Is the code correct, ma'am? Yeah, your code is correct, Sudhir. Just take the input from the user. You have taken the a b in the functions. You just created a b, right? So just take the input from the user. Okay. For fast code, use importing module. Yeah, you can use also that if you have, if your module was uploaded here. Okay. The question is simple, guys. You have to create four program basically. That is for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You have to take the input from the users and the choice of the operation also from the user, and just return the result. मैम समझ ही नहीं आ रहा इसके आगे क्वेश्चन, हिंट दीजिए ना. Okay, Pranav, you have defined the functions for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We have done it yesterday, right? That you have to create again. Then you have to take the input from the user. If you want to perform any operation, you need to take the inputs like two numbers basically, whichever they want to do for the operations, right? Then choice of operation also, you want have to ask it from the user that what operation you want to perform. Okay. Then if they want to perform addition, then you have to call the addition function. If they want to perform subtraction, you have to call the subtraction function. Okay. In this way, you have to do the code. Yeah. Ma'am, in Python Advanced or whatever you are going to teach us after Python Basics, can you tell us what are the topics you will cover? Shubdeep, after this, after completing this Python Basics hands-on, you guys will move on to the OOPS part where we have studied about the OOPS concept. Okay. Indeed. And then you guys move on to the libraries which are used for the data science, like NumPy, Pandas, visualization. Like in visualization, you have Matplotlib, Seaborn. So these libraries you will be learning in depth. Okay. Are these hard? No, not that hard, guys. It is easy, but you just have to learn it properly. Not hard, guys. It is very easy. When you guys attend those classes, now you will be very confident after doing that. Will you give sample code after? Yeah. First, you guys try this question. After that, I will tell you how to do this question, Rajesh. Okay. Yes, correct, Sudhir. I'm using module.py. Okay, Nini. Good. In the key, it is mandatory to use this when using string as key, like Alice. Yes, in Python dictionaries, keys are strings basically. Okay, so you have to write that, use that. Okay. Okay, everybody. I hope everybody has done the question correctly. Okay. Now, let me do this question for you all. Okay. So, first, we have to create a program for, first of all, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. So, that will be very easy. Like this, we have seen this addition. For addition, we just return a plus b, then subtraction. Guys, and then we have to do the flow division. If division, let's say, okay, and then return ATP. So this is my function, guys. This is what I have to do. Okay, addition, subtraction, okay, multiplication also. So F multiplication, guys. Here I will take the input and then I will return A multiplied by P. So this is clear with you all. This is how you create the functions for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, guys. Yes. Now what I have to do? I have to take the input from the user, that the number which they give. So let's say number one. Say here num1 is equals to int input enter first. Okay, sorry. Enter first number, guys. Correct. Now we will take the number 2. enter second number. Yeah. Now what we have to do? We have to ask for his choice of operation, guys, that whatever the choice you want to give, let's say here I will write enter which operation you want to perform. Okay, yeah, done. Okay, good, Pranav. So here we have taken the first number, taken the second number from the input and the choice of operation which they want to perform. Okay, now if my let's say choice will be here, we can say like add, like they have written like this add, or we can write it like choice will be, let's say addition, they can also write addition. Okay, so or choice will be like if they write in the capital letters addition. Okay, so in this case what we have to perform, we have to perform addition. Yes, everybody. So choice 1 will be my addition function. Okay, addition, here I will pass my number 1 and number 2. Yes, guys, whatever the number they have added, I will add that numbers. Yes, everybody. Then I just print it, print my choice 1. Yes, guys, clear with the addition part, that this is how you will do the addition. Yes. Now same we will write for the subtraction. Yes, everybody, for the subtraction also, and for the multiplication also. Let's just a second, guys. Okay, same for the multiplication also and same for the division also. So we just change the name here for sub or subtraction here. Yes, guys, subtraction, and here I can write it subtraction. Okay, then I will call my subtraction function. Yes, guys, so this will be my choice 2. Then my choice 3 will be multiplication. Yes, guys, multi. We can press, we can use it operator is equal. Yeah, you can use that. You can use that plus sign also. Okay, whatever you want to use, you can use that. Okay, so here we can write our choice 3 and just print our choice 3, choice 2 here, and my choice 4, that is my floor division. Okay, so here I will write my F division. This will be my choice 4. Here I will write choice div, or let's say division. Okay, I'll do it fastly. And yeah, correct. You can use that match cases, all switch cases you can use, guys. This will be easier. I'm just trying to understand that what you have to do. There will be so many methods to do this question also, right? Okay. Okay, division here. Then we can write here the same here for the multiplication, guys. And then here the multiplication. Yes. So this is how you can perform this. Okay. You can remove this also, Kiran, if you want to. Okay. I just added it for so that it will look like it. Okay. Yes, because I have performed some operations like OR operations, right? So that's why I'm using that. Okay. So here, sorry, invalid syntax. Okay, yeah. Sorry, guys. Yeah, it is very lengthy. You can short it, guys. You can short it as your by your wish. Okay, you can use the cases here, and you can write it like this also. I'm just showing you a way. There is a lot of other ways also. Okay, so you can try this. Like here, I will write my first number and then second number and then choice of operation I want to perform. Like add, I want to perform. So C79 I'm getting. Okay. Yeah, correct. You can do it like that also, RF. If choice is equal 1, then print this. Okay. Everybody, error coming where? What is the error? Can you show me the error also, RF? Invalid non-printable character. Ma'am, add one more condition for the floor division, which is B not equal 0. Yeah, if it is equal to 0, it is not divisible. We can add that. Okay. Arif, can you just give me the error which it is coming invalid non-printable character, where it is showing in which line? In which line it is showing you? And for the Sudeep, we can add it here, like we can add in the floor division also, like this, like if my B is not equals to 0, okay, then only I can perform this. Okay. Or here I can write else, just return cannot divide by 6. Okay, invalid non-printable character where add number 1, number 2. Syntax error it is showing. I think there will be some. Okay, num1, num2 is correct. If my choice is equal to 1, print. Add where you have created the add function, RF. Where is your functions? Add, subtraction. Where you have created the function, like is it addition or add? Like here. Okay, it is add x plus y. Num1 is correct, num2 is correct. Okay, if my choice is equals 1, it is correct. Why it is showing you that error? Just check the indentation in between if and elif. Just check the indentation because you have given some space before elif. Okay, please go ahead. We will check during break time. Just check the indentation. I'll just give you that suggestion. Just check the indentation. Okay. Yeah, guys. So everybody, are you clear with this part, with this question? Yes, everyone. Okay, Srinivasa. Operators. Okay, guys. Okay. Here is that for loop. Okay. Clear, everybody? Please explain again. Okay, Anupama. Here we have created 4 functions basically. That is clear to you, right? That the addition function, subtraction, multiplication, and the floor division, right? Then we have taken the number from the user, that enter your number first, then second, and the choice of operation, what you want to perform, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, whatever you want to perform, you just write your choice. Okay, so if my choice will be like add, addition, or something like this, so I will add my number, so I have called the addition function. Then if my choice will be like subtraction, so I will call the subtraction function. If my choice will be multiplication, then I will call the multiplication function. And if my choice will be division, I will call the division function. Okay, clear, Anupama? Yes, so everybody is clear, so we can move on to our next question, guys. Yes, everyone, tell me. Yes, okay, guys. So let's see what is our next question. Let's see, guys. Okay, yeah, this is my 8th question. Okay, so let me just copy it here. Okay, guys, so what you all have to do, you have to create a Fibonacci series or sequence using Python if-else statement, guys. Okay, so using the if-else statement, guys, you have to create a Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so are you clear with what is the Fibonacci sequence, guys? Everybody? Yes, guys, tell me no. Okay, guys. So first, let me just tell you that what is that Fibonacci sequence? Fibonacci series basically. Okay, so it is just basically a series of numbers where, like, say, okay. First, okay, let me just show you in the whiteboard, guys, so that you be clear what is Fibonacci sequence. Okay, yeah. So, guys, here, let's see that Fibonacci sequence basically is a series of number. Okay, everyone, it is just a series of number. So here, let's say we have a sequence, guys. So my first number will be 0. Then I have 1. Okay, guys. Then using these two number, I will decide the sequence, guys. I will decide the sequence. Like first number will be my 0 and second will be my 1, guys. Now what I do, I'll add these two number, guys. Okay, I will add these two numbers. Then you will get 1, correct? So this will be my third number, guys. Then I will add these two number, guys. Okay, I will add these two number. Okay, like this. Okay, then I will add these two number. Then my fourth number will be 2, correct, guys? Then I will add these two numbers, 1 and 2. And what will be the next number, guys? Yes, everyone. Yes, what will be the number? Yeah, correct, 3. Then I will add these two number. Then what will be the output? 5, correct? Then I will add these two number. 5 plus 3, then 8, correct? So this is how my series will go. This is how my series will go. So this is called as your Fibonacci series, guys. Okay, this is called as your Fibonacci series. Okay, so using the if-else statement, okay, guys, so you have to create this series. Clear, everybody? Clear? How will you do that? Like what is Fibonacci series? This is clear to you all? Yes, everyone? Okay, now try this question. I'm giving you all few minutes. Then after I will tell you how to do this question. Okay. Okay, good, Shubdeep. I'm giving you all few minutes. Okay. Let's say 45, 10 minutes I'm giving you all. Okay. Yeah, just use the if-else statement also. Using if-else statement also, Shubdeep. Yeah. Correct. Yeah, you have used the recursion part. Okay. Yeah, correct. No, can you see? ma'am, do I need to use if else statement? Yes, Pranav, it is in the question. Hi ma'am, can you share the link to this Google Colab file, IPYNB file, which you are working on? Yeah, okay, Harshit, just a second. This is the link. Yeah. Sandeep. Yeah, good morning, Keith. Okay, no issue. Just go through the file. We have done only one question. Okay, guys, I hope everybody has done the question right. So let's see, guys, how we can do the question. Okay. So first, what I have to create? Yeah, create everybody. Good, everyone. Okay. Now, what we have to create? We have to create a Fibonacci sequence using Python if else statement. Okay. Now, first, in Fibonacci series, we have a sequence of numbers. Okay. So first, I will ask the user that how many terms he wants in a Fibonacci series. Okay. How many numbers he wants in the Fibonacci series. So first, I will ask the user for the number of terms, basically how many terms he wants. So in input here, I will add enter the numbers do you want in the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, in the Fibonacci sequence. Okay. So I've done this. Now we have asked the user that how many terms he want in the Fibonacci sequence, guys. Okay. Now, as we can see, our first number is 0 and the second number is 1. Yes, guys. So this is 6. Our first number is 0 and second number is 1. So here I can simply write my, let's say, first number A is equals to 0 and B will be my 1. Yes, guys. B will be my 1. Yes, everyone. Clear with till this part? Okay. Now, as you all can see, the Fibonacci sequence, it is a positive numbers because it starts from 0. My first term will be 0 and then 1. So it should not be negative. Okay. So if n is less than or equals to 0, it should not just have to print like that. Enter a positive number. Okay. Yeah, please enter a positive number. Okay. Please enter a positive number. Now here, what we can write, else what? Else it will print my Fibonacci series, guys. So let's say let's print my Fibonacci sequence. Now what will be my Fibonacci sequence? What will be the code for that? Okay, guys. So here, what we will write for I, basically, okay, for I in range, guys, in which range, the number of terms which we have entered, right? The number of terms which we have entered. Okay, so that is my num. Okay, that is my num, guys. Okay, so if my I is equal to 0, like if the number of terms will be 0, he will simply print, okay, what he will simply print? A. Correct, guys? Like 0. First term will be my 0. Yes. Now, guys, if my I is equal 1, okay, what it does? It simply print B. First two number will be 0 and 1. Yes, everybody, 0 and 1. Okay. Here, I think it will be now. Yes, everybody clear? Now what? Now what, guys? Else what we have to do? Else what we have to do? We have to add these two numbers, guys, A and B. A and B, yes. So C will be my A plus B. Yes, guys. C will be my A plus B. Yes, everybody. Now I will print my C. So it will be gives me 1. It gives me 1. Okay. Now I have to update the values. Like now, if I add these two numbers, 0 plus 1, okay, I get 1. It is stored in C. Now I want this will be become my A and this will become my B. Yes, guys. Then I will add these two number and store in C. So I have to update this value now. My A will become B and my B will become C. This will happen, guys. Yes, this will happen. Yes, guys, tell me everyone, are you clear till this part or not? Tell one more time. Okay. Okay. See here first I will ask for the sequence means number of terms I want to see. This is your number of terms, like from how many terms I want in my series. Okay, how many terms I want in my series. So that I will ask from the user. Okay, guys, that I will ask from the user. Now I have seen that my first two numbers are fixed. Like first number is 0 and the second number is 1. Yes. So I just fix it like my A will be 0 and my B will be 1. Yes. Now here, if my number of terms will be negative, like here the user tell me that to print like -5 or something. See, this is all positive numbers. We have a Fibonacci sequence as a positive number. So if my number of terms will be less than 0, right, the negative numbers, we will not do that. Okay. So we will not do that. So here we will print that enter a positive number. Okay, enter a positive number, and then I will print my Fibonacci sequence. And what will be my Fibonacci sequence? So for I will try to do a loop. Like from I, it will iterate through my number, like number of terms. Like first will be 1, then second, then 2, third. Okay, it will work like that. Okay, so it will check like if the user I is equal to 0. Yes, the first range, then my number will be A. Yes, means 0. It will simply print 0. Then I will check if I is equal 1. Then it will simply print 1. Yes, so print B. So my first two terms will be 0 and 1. Now else what? I will add these two numbers like 0 and 1. I will add these two. So here simply I'm adding C is equals to A plus B. Yes, C is equals to A plus B, and I'm just printing my C. Then after adding these two number, my second term will be what? Like this will become my A and this will become my B. Yes or not? So this is A first, this is B first, and then after adding these two, I have stored this in C. Now my A will be this, now my B will be this, guys, and now my C will be this. Correct or not? Correct or not? Yes. So I just write here A is equals to B and my B will become my C. Yes or not, guys? Tell me, guys, everybody now got it or not? Now are you clear with this or not? Yes, guys, everyone tell me. Yes? Okay. Okay, guys. So now clear with this, so we can just simply run this code. Okay, the number of sequence I want as I8. Okay, 8 sequence I want. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 30. Like this, I'm getting Fibonacci sequence. Okay, clear everyone? Like my first number will be 0, then 1, then 1, because 0 plus 1 will be 1, 1 plus 1 will be 2. Okay. Why 1 is coming 2 times? Because see Satish, first two number is fixed like 0 and 1. My 0 and 1 will be fixed. Now if I add 0 plus 1, it is 1, right? It is 1. Yes, Satish? Yeah, then I will add 1 plus 1, that is 2. Then I will add 1 plus 2, that is 3. 2 plus 3, that is 5. 3 plus 5, that is 8. And 5 plus 8, that is 13. Yes? Yeah, Fibonacci series. Okay? Clear everybody? Clear with this question? Ma'am, we will not define addition function here for the addition. Yeah, you can simply add it. Why you need a function for that? Okay, so you can simply add it here. If you want, you can leave. Okay. We are updating the values also. Okay. So now everybody is clear or not? I'm getting sequence till 34. Why SEEP? Can you show me your code? Okay, RF AB01 count is equals to 0 times how many times you want to print. Okay, times is then equals to 0, print enter the number greater than 0. Yeah. Okay, where is your code? Yes, you don't have to count A plus B, okay? Up to 34, you're getting 10 numbers and you have given input 10. You are counting A, count is equals to A plus B, like 0 plus 1, it is out print count, A is equals to B and B is equals to count. You have to update the count values, right? Yes, see, not getting the error. Okay, see, you have first, you have printing B, right? You have printing B here, like elif my times is equals to 1. Like you have printing B, okay? And first you have print the string, not the values. So first error is that you are printing the string, not the values. Okay, and in the for loop which you have created, okay, you are updating A is equals to B, okay, but not updating B. B is equals to count you are writing. First you have to write A is equals to count, then you have to like could you please paste my code and then tell error. Okay, just a second. Okay, this is your code, right? This is your code. So first here, see, you have to print B, not the string, right? Not the string, right? So, and then here you are just updating A is equals to B, right? A is equals to B. First, you have to update your B value to the count, right? And then update A is equals to B, okay? Okay, so what you can do, okay? Please place the previous code too. Which code, Rajesh? Okay. Okay. So here first, okay, first what you have to do if your times will be greater than or equals for the first one calculator. Where you want me to paste it? Like in the chat? Okay. In this code you want. Yeah. Okay. So first what you have to do, okay, first what you have to do, yeah. See, here you have entered the number, okay, here you have, sorry, this is not your code, okay, this is your code. A will be my 0 and B will be my 1, okay, count is equals to 0, you have added, okay. Now times that how many times you want to print it, okay. Now if your times is less than 0, you just write enter the number greater than 0, okay. Elif what? Elif if your times is equals to 1, first you have to print here A, right? 0 first. First will be your 0. First term will be your 0, right? Okay. Else you are printing the Fibonacci series. So first what you will do, you just print first here A. First like A and B you have to print first. Like print A and then print B. Okay. So first two numbers will be printed like correct. Now here for I in range. Okay. Times here you have printed A and B. Okay. You have printed A and B, right? So times will be -2 because you have written the two terms here. Two terms you have already written. So you have to write it times -2, correct? Correct. Now your count will be A plus B. Okay. Then you have printing that count. Okay. Then A is equals to B and then B is equals to count. Okay. And then B is equals to time. Like I say You want it like 35 times, okay? Because you have, let's say I'm getting it to 35 times. See. Yes, clear, see? Yeah, this is your mistake, okay? Okay, guys, now everybody, are you clear with the Fibonacci series? Yes, Arif, what do you want to say? Yes, everyone, clear? Thank you. Okay. Can you explain the last one? Which Sumit? Which code? Have you understand this code? Are you clear with this code? Yes, everyone. Are you clear with this question? Sumit? Yes, Sumit. Tell me. Yes, guys, everyone. Sumit, are you clear? No. Tell me which code you want to, which you want me to explain, Sumit. Like this one? This one you want me to explain? Which I have tell you that how to do the Fibonacci sequence, how to print it. Yes. Okay, see what I'm doing. I'm just creating a Fibonacci series. So are you clear what is the Fibonacci sequence? You clear with that? Yes, Sumit? You're clear with that? Okay, so now here I'm just asking this user that how many terms you want in the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so if my first two numbers are fixed, yes, like will be my 0 and B will be my 1. Yes. Now what I'm trying, if the number is less than 0 means the number will be negative. Okay, the number will be negative. So I am just writing enter a positive number. Okay, enter a positive number, and then else I'm just printing my Fibonacci sequence. What will be my Fibonacci sequence? I'm just iterating my for loop. Okay, so I in range means the number of terms. Okay, how many number of terms? So it will iterate through that. Okay, so like first will be my 0, I will be my 0. Okay, so if the user enters 0, so what it will print? It will just simply print A. If the user enter 1, it will simply print B. Okay, now what else? Like we are adding these two numbers. The third term will be the sum of A and B. The sum of A and B. Correct. So like here I can show you, like this is my number. My first number is fixed. Second number is fixed. Third number is this. Fourth number is this, like this. Okay. 3. Okay. So this is my A. Okay. This is my A and this is my B. I write A is equals to 0 and B is equals to 1. Then I'm adding A plus B and storing it in C. Okay, so A plus B means 0 plus 1. This will be my C. This number will be my C, correct? Yes, Sumit. C will be 1. Now what I will update my value, like here what I want to add for the next term, I want to add these two numbers. So my A will become this. Now my B will become this. Then I will add these two number and store in C. Then this will become my C. Correct. So I am updating, like B will be my A and C will be my B. Correct. C will be my B. So see here I'm writing A will be my B and then B will be my C. Yes, clear now, Sumit? Clear? Yes. Okay. Okay, guys, everybody is clear? Yes. So we can move on to our next question. Yes, guys, tell me, everyone. Okay. So let's see, guys, what is my next question? Ninth. Okay. So simple, you have to create a nested dictionary. Basically, the name of the dictionary should be nested dictionary. Okay. Now in that dictionary, what you have to values, like your values will be a nested list. Okay. Means you have a multiple values. Okay. We have a multiple values. For one key, you have multiple values. So you have to create a nested list for that. Okay. Yes, everyone clear? what you all have to do in this question. Yes, guys, tell me. Everybody, just create a dictionary, name as nested dictionary. Okay, name as nested dictionary. Now, here your values will be as a nested list. Okay, nested list means you have so many values, like not a single value, you have multiple values in that. Okay, you have to create a nested list for that. Okay, means inside a list, list inside a list. Okay, that is your nested list. Clear, everyone? Answer not clear. Which answer, Arif? Sorry, which answer? Yes, Arif, tell me. For this one, I don't know the solutions. Okay, no, what you have to do for this question, like ninth question you are trying to say? Ninth question? Yeah, Sudhir, you have just created a nested dictionary. You just have to name the variable as a nested dictionary. You just have to create values of a nested list, okay? Not just the whole nested dictionary. You don't need to do that, but you have done it is good, okay? Okay, see what you have to do. You have to create a dictionary, name as nested dictionary. Yes, okay, name as nested dictionary. Now in that dictionary, why we calling it as a nested dictionary? Because in that, when we store keys and values, right? Everybody, in dictionary we store keys and values. Now your values should be in a nested list, means it should be in a list under list. Okay, like here you have a multiple values. Okay, here you will have a multiple values, so one key will be and one key will be there, and the value in that key will be in a nested list. Okay, yeah, because it is created, right? It has create a nested dictionary. It is called, we called it as a nested dictionary because inside this we have a nested list, so that's why we are giving it a name as a nested dictionary. Okay, yeah, correct. Okay, Subdeep, you have not created a nested list. Clear? Clear, Arif, now? Yeah, everybody is creating a nested dictionary. The name should be like only nested dictionary, guys. Okay? Because we're calling it as a nested dictionary, that because it has a nested list in the value. Okay? Yes, Arif, now everybody clear? Can you all do that question? Yeah, correct. That is correct. Arif, that is correct. You are creating that. Okay. You just have to create a nested list. Yeah, rather than using this list, you are creating a list. So here you just have to create a nested list. Still some ambiguity. Yes, tell me. See. Yeah, correct. Correct, Sudhir. Now it is correct. I have created in one section. Yeah, correct, Sudhir. Yes, Seep, tell me. Yes, Seep. We need to create nested list. Yeah, correct, Seep. You have to create a nested list only. That is your value in the dictionary. That is will be your value in the dictionary. Okay. Invalid non-printable character. E1. Can you show me the code, Arif? Where is your code? Nested dictionary, correct. Here you have created a key one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have not created a nested list, but you have created a list, correct. Is it? It is correct, Arif. The code is, I think, correct. Why you are getting the same error in the previous question, right? You are getting the same error, right? I think there is a problems. If there is some problems in your file, I think that's why it is showing you error every time. The same error in every code. because your syntax is correct, so it should not give you that error. Yes, guys, everybody try this question. I'm giving you all few minutes. When and where to use. See, first one is used to create a tuple, right, Arif? The second one is used to create dictionary and sets, and the third one is used to create the list. Yes, this is what you want to ask. Is for function? No, it is not only for function. We use this in if statement also, right? After any certain condition, if you want to write something, then we use that. Okay. Yes, every Kalesh, you have done the code correct, but just use the nested list. Okay. Yeah. No, you Pranav, you just have to create a nested list. Don't need to create a nested dictionary. The name of the dictionary is just nested dictionary. Okay. If we have done that, it is very good. But here we just have to create a values as a nested list. Okay. Not a whole nested dictionary. Hmm. Okay, Keith. You also have created a nested dictionary. मैम सो मेरा इंग्लिश थोड़ा गड़बड़ है सो दैट्स व्हाई sometimes I don't understand the exact meaning. Okay, no issue, Pranav. No issue. It has some error. Can you show me the error, Seep? Just if you have given the key name as animals, mammals, you have to write the key name inside the colon. Okay, sorry, inside the braces. Okay, not braces, sorry. String should be there if you have written the keys. Okay. We have to use the double quotes. Okay. No, Sudhir, I don't know Telugu. What is the use of this in practical? Which RF? Nested list. See, when you have multiple values, okay, when you have multiple values, right? So you can use the nested list. Like you have multiple dimensional data, right? Table like structures. So there you need multiple values, like every column, for every columns and rows you have values. So for that we can use nested list, right? Like when you go forward, like in NumPy and Pandas section, when you go, so there you have to create a matrix, and then here you have to create tables like structure. So there you can use the nested list. Okay, there we use the nested list for that. Okay, yeah. Yes, Sumbi. Okay, guys, I hope everybody has done this question. Okay, so now let's try this, everyone. Yes, okay. Great. If you have done the question, guys. So here we just have to create a nested dictionary. Okay, let me just give it a variable name. Okay. So I've used this braces. We've used this braces to create our dictionary. Yes, guys. So let's say my key one. Okay, I have written a key one. Okay. So let's say my key one will be here. I have to create a nested list, means list inside a list. Yes. So there, let's say my key one will be this, like this. Here I have multiple values. Okay, like this, let's say. Okay, I can write it like this. Okay, now my second key will be, let's say, I have right here name. Okay, inside this I have names like say Seep. I have, okay, multiple names. I have, let's say, Pranav. Okay, here I can write Sudhir. Okay, I can create another list here. Let's say I can write it like Subdeep. Okay, here then I can write RF. Okay, like this I can write any name, let's say Neha. Okay, so this is how you can just simply create a dictionary And in this, when you have a multiple values, you can store it in a list like this. Okay, nested list. Okay, here I can just create another key also. Let's say whatever the key third. Okay, here I can store any value, whatever the value will be, like this. Yeah, correct. So this is how I can create my list. Okay, nested list. Okay, so if I print my nested dictionary, if I print my nested dictionary, so I get the values like this. Okay, so clear, everybody, clear how to create a dictionary. You just know, guys, how to create a dictionary. Okay, and here I am just passing the values in a nested list. Okay, I am just passing the values in a nested list. Yes, everyone. Yes, guys. What about others? Okay. Okay, guys. So let's move on to our next question. Okay, let's move on to our next question. Okay, I think this. Okay, break. You guys want break? Yes, everyone. Yes, guys, tell me. Okay, so I think, okay, just a second, guys, just a second. I'm giving you all break. I think this question can be done with by all, like just create a two sets and perform the function. Yeah, so I can give you this question as homework, everyone. Yes, I've already given you this question in the homework also. So I can give you the homework. This question, guys, everybody can do this question. Yes, everyone. Yes. Okay. So we will start with our 11th question. Okay. 5 minutes break. I'm giving you all. Okay. Let me just start the timer. 11th question. Explain it. It is same confusing. Yeah, I think 11th question is also like rather than list, I have to create a tuple. So I think that also you all can do. So we can start with 12th. Ma'am, 8:30. What, Pranav? For 11th one, we have to use tuple. Yes, we have you inside rather than list which we have created. In 11th question, you just have to use the tuple. Can you please show me the Fibonacci code? Okay, I am sending you in the chat, Kiran. Okay. Don't confuse with that. This is the same code. This is just C code. Okay. I'm explaining the error, so I can write it here like from C to everyone. मैम in the last question बहुत short में कर दिया because we just have to create a dictionary, Pranav. We don't have to do anything else in that question. Good, Subdeep. Ma'am, a dictionary or a nested dictionary, what is the difference? See, dictionary, the basic dictionary which we have created, when you write a dictionary inside a dictionary, that is your nested dictionary. Okay? That is your nested dictionary. Ma'am, PDF link. Which Keith? This PDF? Okay. This is the link. Yeah. It means if you change anything in an existing dictionary, it doesn't become nested. No, Pranav. It is just when you create a dictionary inside a dictionary, like we have created a list inside a list, right? That is our nested list. Same like that, if we created a dictionary inside a dictionary, okay, that is your nested dictionary, not you're changing something in the existing dictionary, okay? If you want, I can show you a code with the nested dictionary if it will be not confusing for you. Yes. Okay. See, what is a nested dictionary? See here. Okay, why it is not coming? Okay, I can explain you here. Guys, nested dictionary, when you want to create a nested dictionary, it is like here I have created a dictionary, let's say, or I can just give it a name as nested. Okay, so here I've created a dictionary, like this is my key one. Okay, now inside that I've created another dictionary. Okay, I have created another dictionary. Okay, in that I have another key. Okay, like my inner key will be, okay, I can write it the name as like this. Okay, and here I'm just passing some values like 1 3, let's say 5. Okay, like in this I have another key also, like in key 2. Okay, and then I have some values 5 6 7. Okay, so this is what you call it as a nested dictionary. Okay, now here you will just write comma, and here you will write your key 2. That's a key 2. Okay, inside that you have another dictionary like this. Okay, no, Subdeep, I'm just explaining the Pranav that what is nested dictionary, like how do we create a nested dictionary. Okay, yeah, so this is how you can write it. Okay, Pranav, now clear. Now here I will write my inner E1. Okay, like this I just create here another key. So here you just create, you have created this dictionary first. Now inside that dictionary you have another dictionary. Okay, like this. So this is what nested dictionary called. Okay, yes. Okay guys, clear. So let's go to next question hour. That is 11th. I think everybody can do the 11th question also. Yes or not, everyone? Or do you guys want me to tell you that how to do this question? Like here, you have to create a nested tuple from the dictionary with each item in the tuple as a key value pair. Okay, from the dictionary. Okay, simple. What you have created. Okay, what you have created, you just have to create with the tuple also. Yes, everyone, clear or not? So I think this question also you all can do. Yes or not, guys? Tell me, everyone. Ma'am, the same thing I want to tell you in English, but I can't explain. Which thing, Pranav? My code. Okay, madam. Okay, let me just see your code. Okay, you have created a dictionary. Yeah, you can use that also, Sudhir. Okay, the nested dictionary. Okay, okay, no issue, Pranav. Okay, guys, can you tell me all that? Are you able to do the 11th question so that I can give you this question as a homework? Yes or not, everyone? Yes? Okay. So this is your homework, guys. No, Arif. Why? Arif, are you? Yeah, tuple. Like there you have created a list, right? In this question, you just have to create a nested tuple, like tuple inside a tuple, Arif. Yeah, correct. Okay. Yeah, correct. Clear, everyone? Clear or not? Yeah, just change. Yes, yes, everybody. Okay. So let's go to our 12th question, guys. I think this is the question. Yes. Just a second, everyone. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys. So what you all have to do, you have to create a list. Okay. Create a list of the first 50 even natural numbers. Okay. Even natural numbers, guys. Okay. Yeah, correct, Subdeep. 2, 4, 6, like this. Okay. So 50, first 50 even natural numbers. Okay. And you have to perform the following operations, everybody. So first, what you have to do, you have to count the number of elements in the list, then reverse the list. Okay. Basically, sort the list in the ascending order. Okay. Now get the index of the element 44 and update the element with the number 100. Okay. Then return a copy of the list with resulting list containing the square of each element. Okay. Like you just have to create a list which have all squares of all the numbers. Okay. So everybody try this question. I'm giving you all some minutes for that also. I think it will take more minutes. So I'm just giving you all few minutes. Let's say 8:47. Okay. Yeah, check my code, ma'am. Okay, Sudhir, I'm just checking where is your code. I for I in range one. Yeah, correct. Try the next question. Okay. Try the next question like this parts also. You have taken 1 to 101. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Arif, what you have done? Sample list, nested list is equals to tuple key. Then you just have to create a simple dictionary. Okay, inside that just write the key value pairs in the right like in that nested tuple. Okay, you can simply create that. Yeah, correct, Sudhir. You want only 50 numbers, right? Not simple to me. Which Arif, which is not simple to you. Just create a dictionary inside that where you have created a nested list. Okay, nested list you have created, right? Just create a nested dictionary, same like that. Okay. Okay. Samples nested list one. Okay, just check the tuple name first. Okay, TUPPLE not will not be like that. Okay. You are storing a dictionary inside a tuple. You're doing that. Okay. Yes. Clear? Clear. Okay. Yes. Correct. Yes, you have done correct, Arif. You have done correctly. Yeah, correct. Correct, Keith. You all are using list comprehension. Yeah, Shubdeep, not you. I am talking about the Keith and Sudhir. Yeah, Satish, just you have to create a list, okay? Just mind that. Yes, okay, good, Arif. Name count element is not defined. It is defined. You have defined event count element. Okay, just check the spelling. Just check the spelling. You have write MET element. You have write MET. Just correct it as MENT. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope everybody has done the question. So now we will do our questions. Let's see. Okay. So first we have to create a list of 50 even natural numbers. Okay. So first just create the list. Okay. Of 50 even natural numbers. Okay. So here I'm just writing this. Sorry. Like this we have to create. Okay. I'm just commenting this. Okay. So first 50 even natural numbers, guys, means total 50 elements I want in my list. Okay. So first, like even numbers I want, so I'm just creating my list as name as even number. Okay. So now here, first I have created an empty list. Okay. An empty list I have created. Okay, guys. So now what I will do for I in range, basically, like I want 50 elements. So from 1 to 51, because I want 50 elements, I have to pass 51. Yes, everyone, yes or not? Yes, guys, clear? Like if I want 50 elements, I have to pass 51 here so that I can get 50 elements. Okay. Now here, what I will do, I will just write even number and I will append my values. Okay, guys. Like even number dot append here I will use, guys. Okay. Append, and I will append here like I will multiply the numbers basically by 2 so that it will become my even numbers. Okay. First, I will get like in my I, first number I will get as 1. Correct, guys? So I will multiply 1 by 2. So that will become 2. Correct. Now the second number will be 2, guys. So I will multiply this 2 by 2 multiply by 2. So that will become 4. So I'm getting the even numbers in my list. Okay. And I'm appending my values in my empty list. Okay. So if I print, guys, if I print this, okay, like print, okay, print my even numbers. Yes, guys, see. Sorry, number, I think. Yeah. So see, you are getting 50 numbers exactly, 50 even natural numbers. Okay. 50 even natural numbers. You can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes or not, guys? Yes or not? Clear? Clear with this part? Yes, everyone? Yes. What about others? Everybody? Yes or not? It should show till 50. How to control the printing number one by one? Like what you are trying to say, Srimasa? So, see, I want to numbers like first 50 even natural numbers. So I want 50 numbers, not 50. Okay, I want 50 numbers. Yeah. After press enter, then next number need to be printed. Sorry, Srinivasa, I'm not getting your point. Yeah, natural numbers, Arif. Like first what it will get. Okay, first in my I, what is the number? Like first I will get 1. Correct, guys? First I will get 1 here. Okay. So what I will do, I will just appending 2 multiply by 1. Okay. 2 multiply by 1. Let's say if it is printed 2, then we will press enter, then it will print 4, so on. No, we are using the for loop, right? We are using the for loop. Yes or not? But in range, it will take in account 50 numbers only. Yeah, because we are using the for loop, right? See, we are using the for loop. Okay. So in for loop, what we are going to do, we are writing the number from 1 to 50 because we want 50 numbers. Okay. 50 numbers, not 50, like 50 as a number. Okay. Not 50 as a number. I want 50 numbers. So when you count the numbers, okay, when you count the number, basically asking about the transferring the control. See, not here we have used the for loop. So first, after that, the whole loop will complete it. Okay, after the whole loop will be completed, it will simply print my number. Okay, simply print my number. I have done this. List for I in range if I percent 2 is equal 0. List dot append I. Okay, print list. Yeah, correct. If you want that your number is equal, okay, it will append 25 digits. See, your loop will work. Okay, your loop will work like what I am doing. Yeah, correct. Because you are just checking for those values. You are appending those values which are like 2, 4, 8, 12. Right? See, you are getting those value in your list which are even like 2, 4. I am getting all values from 1 to 50. Okay, 1 to 51. Yeah, Srinivasa, I understand that what you are trying to say. Okay, what is this, Satish? I'm getting like this. Can you give me the code, Satish? Can you give me the code? Okay. Then Srinivasa, basically what you want to tell, okay? He's asking about display representation of numbers in the vertical table. Okay, like this, what Satish have done, like this, you want me to do that? Yeah, code is correct, Satish. Why it is coming like that? Yeah, that is also correct, Rakesh. Okay, Satish, just check what it is correct, why it is coming like that. Okay. Okay, guys, are you clear or not? Yes, guys. Okay. I did not understand two multi. See, what I am doing, what I am doing. Okay, see, what I am doing means to multiply by I. So, see, first my for loop will run in the range 1 to 50. Okay, 1 to 50. So, if I show you here, okay, if I show you here, so my for loop, okay, let me just copy my code first. Okay, like this is my code. Okay, this is my code. Okay, so this is my code. Okay, see, now what I will do, let me just increase it a little bit. Okay, so here what I want, okay, see, this is my list, this is my empty list. Okay, now for I in range 1 to 50 means from 1 to 50, I will go from 1 to 50. Okay, I will go from 1 to 50. Okay, now I'm taking all the numbers. Okay, now what I'm taking all the numbers. Okay, like my I will be 1 first. Okay, first my I value. Okay, my I value will be 1. Yes or not? See, my first I value will be 1. Now what I am doing, I am multiplying it by 2 means 2 multiply by 1. Okay. 2 multiply by 1. So if my number is odd also, I am converting it into an even like 2. So my 2 will be appended in my list. So my list will become like, my list will become like here. I will get my first element 2, then my I will be 2, my I will be 2. Okay, then I'm multiplying it by 2, like 2 multiplied by 2, that will become 4. Okay, that will become 4, then I'm appending it in my list like 4 here. Okay, then 2 4 6 8. Okay, this is how my list will become. Okay, yes. And if you want, yeah, if you want by your code, you can use from 1 to 101. Okay, so you will get 50 elements from there also. Yes. Okay, guys, clear or not? Clear or not? Yes. Yes, everyone. What about others? Yes. Okay, guys. Now my first question will be like count the number of elements in the list. Okay, we have created the list. Now what I want to do, I want to count the number of element in the list. So what is the function that we use to count that how many elements we have in our list? How many element we have in our list, guys? Yes, guys. Count. Count Srinivasa or length function. We use length function. Yes, guys, correct. Length will give you the total number of elements that we are in our list. Yes. So to count the number of elements, so I can write here count. Simply I can write this is my list. Even number is my list, guys. So simply I can write here the length function. Okay, length of my even number. So length of my even number, that is my list. Yes. So I can print, okay, I can print the total elements. Basically, total elements will be my, like, total elements will be my count. So if I print this, see, total 50 elements I have in my list. Total 50 elements I have in my list. Yes or not, guys? Yes, clear or not? Clear? Yes? Okay. Now what is my next question? Reverse the sequence of my list. Okay. So I want to reverse my list, guys. Okay. I want to simply reverse my list. So what I can do? I can simply use the reverse function. Yes or not, guys? Reverse function, like even numbers, that is my list. Even number, yeah, correct, Sudhi. Dot. I can use the simply reverse. Okay, so that will simply reverse my list. Okay, guys, simply reverse my list. Okay, so now if I print my even numbers, print even numbers. Sorry, see. Can you show the sort and inside it reverse? I got an error on that. Yeah, just a second, Shubdeep. Let me just complete it with this question, then I'm coming to the sort question. Okay. See, guys, your list basically is coming in the reverse order or not? Yes, guys. Yes, everyone. Yes, guys. Yes. Correct. So we will can use the reverse function, or here you can use the slicing also, guys. Okay. You can use the slicing also here to reverse it. Okay. Yes, everyone clear? Now my next question is, now what is my next question? Sort the list in ascending and descending order. Okay. Sort the list in ascending and descending order. Okay. I want to sort my list, guys. Okay. I want to, okay, I think the timing is over. Yeah. Okay. Sort the list in ascending and descending order. Yes. So anybody has any issue if we exceed just like 5 more minutes? Yes, guys. If we exceed for five, yeah, correct. If we exceed for 5 more minutes, is there is any issue for anyone? No? Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. So sort the list in ascending and descending order. Basically, what we want to do, we want to reverse the list. Okay. So what I can use, sort the list. So first I will sort my list like even numbers. I can use the sort list, sort function. Basically, sorry. So if you sort it, guys, and just it, print even number. Okay. So see, you are getting it in a sort order because by default it will giving you an ascending order. Yes or not, guys? Yes or not? Okay. So what you want to do, if you want to sort it in a descending order, guys, in a descending order. Okay. This is for ascending order. Okay. This is for ascending order. Okay. Now what if you want to do this same with the descending order, guys? So here sending order, what you can do, you can simply write reverse is see, this is your code. Okay, this is your code. You can just simply copy it here. Okay, now what you can do, you can simply write reverse is equals to 2. Okay, reverse is equals to 2 means basically it will reverse it like this. Okay, so you will get this list in ascending and descending order. Ascending, yeah, correct, you can do it like this also, Arif. Okay, ascending and descending order. Yes or not, guys? Yes. Yes. Clear or not? Is it mandatory to sort it first? Is it mandatory to sort it first? See what you're trying to tell Subdeep. Like here we are sorting. Like by default, it is sorting me in an ascending order, right? Cell 12. Okay, cell 12. This is 13, 9th. Okay, you're talking about this. You're talking about this cell, right? So here what we are doing, we are just simply sorting it. We are just simply sorting it in ascending order, right? We are sorting it in ascending order, right? Yes, Subdeep, what is your question? What is your query? Yes, you did sort it first, then cell 13, you did reverse on sort. So my question is cell 12 sorting is necessary for this? See, if you are trying to tell me that if I want in descending order, right? If I want it in descending order first, right? Before ascending. Yes, you have to, yeah, yes, you have to first sort it. See, what you are doing, you're sorting it, but just you are trying to write it like reverse is equals to true, means you are just reversing it. Okay, so you need to sort it first, and inside that you have to write reverse is equals to true. Okay. Yes. Yes, Subdeep. If I don't run cell 12 and directly run cell 13, it shows error. Yeah, because you have to first sort it. Okay, you have to first sort the list in ascending and descending order. So first, what you have to do, you have to sort it, and I'm doing the reverse is equals to true. Okay, means if it is by default sorting it in ascending order, then reverse is equals to true means I'm just reversing it. I'm reversing the sorting basically. Okay, yeah. Okay. So now my F question is like get the index of value for the element 44 and update with the number 100, guys. So first what I want to get, I want to get the index value for the element 44. Yes. Yes or not, guys? Yes. So here I can get index, like let's say I'm writing index 44 I'm getting. Okay. So here what I want to get the index. So this is my list, even number is my list dot index, so that I get the index of the element 44, guys. Okay, of the element 44. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to update it. Okay, I want to update this value with 100. Okay, so even number, what I can do, even number. So this is my index, like index 44, which I have given. This is my index. Now what I can update it simply by 100. Okay, I can update it simply by 100, guys. Clear? Clear? And I can, okay, I have write plus here. Just a second. Yeah. Now what I can do, I can simply print it, guys. Okay, I can simply print my even numbers. So even number. Okay. Ma'am, whatever I have covered till now in Python, was it basic level? Yeah, advanced level, almost have done. Yeah, this is your basics. Okay, the basics and the core basically of your Python. Okay, this much thing you need to know if you're a beginner to get into the coding part. Okay, to get in the coding part. Okay, Sumit. Yeah. Okay, guys. So this is how you can get the index value for the element 44 and update the value into the 100. Okay, clear or not, guys? Clear or not till this part? Okay, we will do the next question in the next part. Okay, we will do the next one question in the next part. I think the time is over and it is more than 10 minutes. Many of you has so many works, so we cannot exceed it by that much. Okay. So I'm sharing this collab file with you all. If you have any doubt, you can tell me now, guys. And if you don't have any doubt, you can leave the session. Yes, everyone. We are stopping here. Okay, guys. I hope everything is clear to you all. Yes. Yes, guys, everyone. We will see these questions one more time in the next class. Okay. If anybody has any issue. Okay. Yes, guys, anybody, if you have any doubt, you can tell me now. Otherwise, you can leave the session. I hope the session was helpful to you. Okay. Yeah, this one, yeah, you can use the insert function also in Sudhir. Okay, you can use the insert function also. Okay, guys, I hope everybody is clear with the session. If nobody has any doubt, you can, yeah, have a good weekend, everyone. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Okay, yeah, thank you. Have a good day, guys. Regarding SEEP list, sorry, which list, Arif? What is your query? Yeah, correct. Yes, this is the list of SEEP. Yes, so what is the issue in this, Arif? Output coming like mini list. Is it SEEP? I think he gets only 25 elements by this. Okay, you get only 25 elements by this. No, you're not getting output like mini list, right? No, it should not come in like that. Okay, it should not come like that. It just come like 25 elements. Like this till 50. Can you show me that? Have you done this code? See, is it for you also? Yeah, correct. You should not print this inside a for loop. Yeah, okay. Yes. Just print that you're printing lists in the for loop, Arif. You are printing the list in the for loop. Don't print it in the for loop, okay? Clear or not? Yeah, he has shared the code. He has shared the code with us. Arif, just don't print use the print statement inside the loop, okay? Clear? Yes, Arif, are you clear or not? Repeat. See, you have write the print statement, like write print statement inside the for loop. Just write it outside the for loop. Okay, just write it outside the for loop. Just remove the space. Okay, just remove the space. Just remove the space. You have given beside the print statement. You have given the some space, right? Just remove that space. Okay. Just remove it. Yeah, your for and okay. I'm just pasting your code. Okay, I'm just pasting your code. Okay. I'm sharing my screen. You can see that. Okay. Okay, Arif. See this. This is your code, right? Here, you have given this space, right? This space. So you're printing this list inside the for loop. So what you have to do, you just remove this space. See, you will get the output like this. Clear? Clear now, Arif? Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope everybody was clear now. Meet you soon. Have a good weekend. Bye.